YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial in regards to your Google Assistant or Google voice search. So in case your Google search is not activated, you're going to click on the Google G over here on the left hand side. Okay, and right here you're going to click on more right here with the three dot. And you want to go under setting, and you're going to click on voice. Be sure your voice match is turned on, okay? Or make sure you turn on that access with the voice match. So this one you want to turn it on to use your voice match to send message, and then access your email, calendar, contact, and then more when your phone is locked in, okay? So maybe like sending like a text message or anything like that. And right here is to retrain your voice or delete your voice. So when you have your Bluetooth, your Samsung buds, you want to go ahead and then be sure to turn this on. So it gives you like a warning someone else may be able to use voice command such as calling or texting, or access your address, contacts, and all other personal information, even if your device is logged in. So just make sure nobody has your Bluetooth headset, okay? And then you want to be sure to turn this on for your voice search on Bluetooth device. So you can turn off or turn it back on. So it'll be easier if you have an earpiece or something busy or doing something, and then you could do the voice search. So you can say, "Hey Google, show me Tesla stock." Okay, Google, show me Apple stock. So I'm connected with my Samsung earbud right now I'm wearing, so the voice is not coming through on the phone unless I turn off my Bluetooth. Okay, Google, show me Microsoft stock. So as you see, my Galaxy earbud, when I adjust the volume, I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth. Okay, Google, show me BP stock.
BP plc is trading at $42.22 per share after hours, down 0.07% from closing.
Okay, so hopefully this will help you guys set it up your Google Assist or your Google Voice search. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. And then I will see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.